This is what actually happens inside your body during ovulation that no one ever tells you, and it starts on day 6. Each one of these eggs has been frozen inside you since before you were born, some waiting over 30 years for this single moment.
Your brain doesn't ask for permission. It simply releases a hormone that will decide which egg survives and which ones quietly don't. Inside your ovary right now, a dozen tiny follicles just woke up. But by next week, only one will still be alive. Each follicle holds a dormant egg frozen in time for years, until just one hormone finally tells it the wait is over. This month, roughly a dozen eggs quietly entered a silent competition inside you, and most of them are already destined to lose. One follicle is already pulling ahead of all the others, and the ones falling behind are quietly dying inside your own ovary. The winning follicle doesn't just outgrow the others, it produces a hormone called inhibin that actively poisons every competitor around it. Only one single egg gets to leave the ovary this cycle. Everything else you started with this month is already fading away. As the winning follicle keeps growing, it starts pumping out estrogen, and that hormone is quietly rebuilding an entire organ in secret. Your uterus is quietly rebuilding its entire lining right now, one layer at a time, guided completely by rising estrogen hormone levels. Estrogen levels are climbing fast right now, and once they cross a hidden threshold, it triggers an event your brain can't ignore.
The moment your estrogen finally peaks, your brain flips a switch, flooding your bloodstream with the exact hormone that triggers ovulation itself. A massive hormonal surge just hit your entire bloodstream, and in less than 36 hours, your body will release an actual egg. This is the true trigger point of your entire monthly cycle. One single surge of LH and there's no turning back now. The follicle wall is quietly thinning at one exact point right now, a tiny weak spot slowly preparing to finally give way. Right now, deep inside you, your ovary is about to release, on purpose, a controlled dissolution at a single point called the stigma. This is the moment. The follicle wall finally breaks open, and an egg is released from your ovary into your waiting body. Your fallopian tube doesn't just wait around passively. Finger-like projections actively sweep in to catch the egg the exact instant it's released.
The egg is now slowly drifting inside your fallopian tube, and the clock on its very short lifespan has already quietly started. This egg has somewhere between just 12 and 24 short hours to be fertilized. After that, the window closes for good forever.
Right now marks the single most fertile moment of your entire monthly cycle, and it lasts for less than one full day.
Out of hundreds of millions of sperm released, only a tiny few hundred will ever actually reach the egg waiting in the tube.
What if no sperm arrives? Then fertilization never happens, and that single missing event quietly triggers a completely different process in your body. This new structure has one urgent job: flooding your body with progesterone, the hormone that decides whether a pregnancy can even survive.
But this hormone factory was never built to last. It has a hidden countdown clock, ticking down whether you notice it or not.
With no pregnancy signal ever arriving, the countdown finally hits 0, and this entire hormone-producing structure begins to quietly shut down. That shutdown triggers a sudden hormone crash, and within days, your uterine lining starts breaking down completely, and your period begins.